So hello everyone, my name is Nigam. Today I am on the place I am on the place of freedom fighters best place like India Gate. As we all know, we are on the place of India Gate. So as we all know, too many people sacrificed for our whole motherland, for our India, as we all know. So what are the names which we don't know? Do you know about every freedom fighter who helped anyone? Who made There's a freedom fighter, I will tell his name later. There's a freedom fighter who helped everyone to do his mission. Yes, he helped everyone to do. Every freedom fighter he helped in the past to make their mission better. Yes, they made the person made his the person did a crime, or you can say mission, to make everyone mission good. He applied that mission and he did that mission for everyone. So that's why most of them are were able to do their mission in the past. Like the name of that person was the Ram Prasad Bismil. Yes, as we all know, there is a freedom fighter Ram Prasad Bismil. You might have learned about this freedom fighter in your schools, in your patriotics period. But talking about this person, the person did Kargil train crime, in which he was the one who looted the Kargil train, the Indian treasure, who helped everyone to do the mission. The everyone in the past needed the money. In the past, the was known as a golden bird, as we all know. So the Ram Prasad Bismil did that thing for everyone to make our India better. Yes, to make our India free, he did every, like Bhagat Singh, he gave money, like Gandhiji, he gave money, everyone, every freedom fighter he gave money, and that's why he was dead, because of the one person, for because he looted, that he was hanged on the because of the government. And that's why he is the unsung freedom fighter of our India. We should respect him. Thank you for listening. This side Yugal. So hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm your friend Yugal. As you all know, behind me there is Subhash Chandra Bose. So little bit story I wanted to talk about him. So, as we all know, Subhash Chandra Bose played an important role to make India free. Yes, he played an important role to make our India free, as we all know. Like he met with the Hitler, he went Germany to meet with Hitler, and uh, he he made his own army named Hind Army, and also he did too many things about our India. He made our India free. Too many times he fought for our own, fought for ourselves. He made, and also he made an army, as I told you, that Hind Army he made, and because of that he fought with many he fought with many Britishers, and he made our India better. Yes. So in the end, I want to say about that our Subhash Chandra Bose is also a good freedom fighter, as we all know. And the death of Subhash Chandra Bose still a mystery. We don't know how did he die. There are too many of theories that say that. In my school, when I learned about him, my teacher said that he got the sugar and he died. And I asked from the Google, they said that it's a mystery. Maybe he died from the he got shot from the gun. The Britishers shot him. And another theory is that the Britishers beat him too much. They captured him and beat him. That's why he died. But it's all our theory. It can be the answer can be another, and we don't know the answer properly, as we all know. So that's for today. Thank you for listening. This side Eagle.